How to create a portfolio with Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So today, let's get started. First of all, launch the Canva application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, in order to create a portfolio with Canva, simply what you need to do is tap on the template option at the bottom right corner of the screen. So as you tap on templates, tap on the search bar again and search for portfolio website. So as you search for the templates over here, it will give you different options over here. So just make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Now here you can see there are 1890 templates as of now with pro versions and free. Now if you have a pro version, it's better, but if not, you can also use the free ones. You can select whichever portfolio suits you best. So I'm going to select one very randomly over here, and as I tap on it, it will give you the detailed view of the portfolio where you can just make necessary edits over here. So just wait until it loads to your Canva page over here. So having a stable Wi-Fi connection might help you in working faster over here and creating a portfolio in a better way. So as you can see, here's the portfolio. You can see there are different pages over here at the bottom of the screen. So you can just switch to any pages and just create and edit your portfolio according to your need and what is in you, that you can just make an edit. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.